idiot thing. See the Rasta, see the singer there. And the artist this when him Ayatunde, you know.
Yeah, man.
And him have a little history to give about a little thing, you know, because Babylon no like Rasta, you know. Ayatunde, me you say the I go quote star. What really happened from where there, man?
Well, me I tell you, I do some police in a way. I don't say them now do them work. But sometimes them prey upon the innocent people them all the time.
Selassie, I know.
The people them who is working for the upliftment of righteousness. And them people them fight all the
Them
while.
get fight all the
Because
while.
them fight Marcus Garvey.
Yeah, man.
Them fight King Selassie.
Yeah,
them
man.
crucify Jesus.
A true man.
See, all of the great people them fight them and kill them.
Selassie, I know that Rasta. Real
Because
talk.
me now in the park trying to do a song.
Oh, they either write a song.
Me don't write a song.
The day there.
Because I always write my song on my phone. Because
Yeah.
I'm on create song in our brain.
Seeing my friend.
And I have rhythms on my phone saying that I was making a song.
In the
day.
park?
In the park.
Right.
Right in front of the Marine Police Station.
Right. And what happened, man?
And this police brethren just see me on my phone talking and just come over. Oh, we want to search and and
Search the artist.
search and me say, yeah, officer, I'm an artist and I have a little knife. And me say, if me have any weapon, and me say, yeah, I have a little pen knife where I use peel my fruit.
Yes, because you love your orange.
I always love my orange and I love my coconut.
True.
I mean, man will go in the market and buy all the coconut and buck it same place.
And just use a
I
knife
just
and
use my knife and cut it out.
Selassie, I no Rasta man I like
orange,
that. See.
cane, them something that me live by.
Yes,
It's
I.
a fruits man.
Yes, I.
Me no walk with knife for violence.
No time, because you're an artist.
Me a man, I've been singing music from a very tender age. And a music make me know righteousness.
Selassie, I know
Music
that. I
teach me love and righteousness.
Selassie,
so
I
me love
know.
music, and music me do. Me no do
Yeah, man, a mad
badness.
speech you give me, man. I love the speech, daddy.
Me no deal with badness.
So what really happened? The policeman really lock you up?
Them carry me go handcuff me.
Jano,
Yes.
for one little knife.
And I want a musician brethren who own a studio come bail me.
Selassie,
And
I.
them say really and truly, me is a real artist for true, because it's a man who just have a studio come bail me.
See?
And tell them say me is not a violent man too.
So the idea for go court same
So I
way.
go court today.
Seeing
And
today what the
26th
26th of January 2021.
I go to
the
court.
artist go court. A history this.
You know, see.
So how the case go?
When I go there, they don't have no case for me, because no come in, no case to come in.
And from what
no-
time you got court?
And I reach it from, because I am a man of principle, you know.
Seeing.
And I'm a law abiding. I reach the court before court even start.
Yeah, you reach the court 9 o'clock me
I
here.
was one-
And
yes.
court start 10 o'clock.
Close, 10 o'clock.
And you was there from
9 o'clock
till?
till no. Till
After
about,
4?
Till after about 4.
Yeah.
And I asked the police them if they don't see no name for me there.
Yeah.
They said they don't see no name come in.
Oh, them to deal with the artist, so
So I
that.
go
This
to
man
the
is an
clerk-
artist,
I go to
people.
the clerk of court.
Just for a knife.
A little knife, a little pen knife.
And you spend the whole day at courthouse and still.
And I could in the studio, because I was supposed to be in the studio today.
You know that me I said they
was
mash up
supposed
the
to be in
artist
studio
there.
working. And I spend the whole day
At courthouse.
at courthouse.
And the police them not turn up.
The studio, I make
That for
music.
sure said the police them not really have a case.
They don't have a case.
Yeah,
so
real
they give
talk.
me a paper now and said, you don't have a case here. Nothing don't come in for you, sir.
So go on.
And go your yard, sir.
Selassie,
I have a
know.
little knife,
Jarrett.
a little beanie knife. I don't walk, I'm not a violent man. See,
Jarrett.
I'm a man of righteousness.
See?
I'm a man who love Jah and I love people. See, I love the police them too.
See, Natty.
So when the police them come and arrest me for a little knife and I show them say I'm an
Yeah,
artist
yeah.
and a fruits me use.
Them for know themselves more on that down.
And it was in my waist. It
See?
was in my pocket.
Right, and that's a little knife.
Just a little
and
knife.
you're not a violent man, you're an
Alright,
artist.
let us tell the people them something. I buy a set of knife in America to use in my kitchen for my lady. I have a little lady where I used to live with. So I buy the knife them for her. So I take out the littlest one. Because I set a knife, you have some big one and some
Listen
medium
this
size.
people, listen this.
And
the artist
I
explain.
just put the knife, say I want this knife because Corona time, you know, it's Corona time going around. So I don't want anyone to buy a orange.
You peel it
I want to
yourself.
peel it myself because I always do that.
Mad.
So I really walk with a little knife for that purpose.
Seeing artists,
To
seeing.
murder the orange, not people.
Yeah, you murder the orange, the
That's what I
fruit.
say.
The fruit.
To murder the fruit, not people.
Selassie, I know. Seeing.
See, now I want the world, and I want Jamaica, and I want Portland know. So when you see me, Ayatunde this, me no walk with violence.
You're a singer, you're an artist.
See,
Ayatunde, they don't know.
violence.
So now
See?
you're going to make them know. So Ayatunde,
See?
You have a new tune, you give your voice now, make the people hear your voice on this occasion.
I have a lot of new tunes.
Give us one of your tune them, just one.
I have a song just mixed a while ago, master, just to release out there in England. Me and a DJ called Blackout.
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 Yeah, me hear a Blackout. Yeah. Oh, that's how that tune they go?
It's a sing over from Wailing Soul. And it goes like this. Jah Jah give us life to live, so let us live. I said no, don't feel no way when I man say Jah Jah give us life to live, so let us live.
You know that tune there.
I said no, don't feel no way when I man say the light struck the night and the morning come. So I've got to stay awake to meet the rising sun.
I tuned that to the world.
So I want the eye them know say I'm music. Straight music.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
nice
man.
talking to the eye.
What if a tune man we do, man?
Yeah.
We have all a big tune I do from 2000.
Yeah.
Saying,
yeah.
Ron Mushet them used to play upon the radio. Let go the rhythm make it zumbe, zumbe, zem, zoom, reggae music a boom.
Boom, boom.
Let go the rhythm make it zumbe, zumbe, zem, zoom, Babylon a get boom.
So you see, say it's an artist where I look for, we have to angle man here with more protection.
So want to know that, a music. Now next song we say, see the Baba Tundea come there. See the Baba Tundea come there. Hey, see the Aya Tundea come there. With a heart, sure.
Yo,
with a heart
cool,
of love, man.
Yo, cool now you tunde, man. So the police and the officer them and everyone knows that he is an artist.
So when you see that face here in Portland,
take off your glass no tunde.
We no hype and we no show off and we no bossy, we no walk with bad mind, we no walk with jealous, we no walk with grudge, we no walk with covetousness, we no walk with nothing negative.
Godly,
so when
man.
You see me, a King Selassie I praise.
Godly.
The
Selassie I know. Yeah, man. Nice talking
so
to the eye
tunde. When you just see me, yeah, man. I just know say I love. Police I love same way.
Yeah, man, every time.
We love police, we love soldier, we love all the people who work in the system of our country.
And this is a serious message from Ayatunde.
Anywhere I go, I represent Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
No, when you see me I walk through Portland, I want to put some short pants, you know, and I want to put some slippers. See? Because I do farming too. So when you see me come on road all with my pants stain up. See?
Yeah, man, the world have to know
banana stain. So we do them things so.
Yeah, man.
Don't watch the simpleness and thing. Because we no hype and we no show up and we no bossy.
Yeah, man, that is what the artists have to say today. They say, I told them what you know, one of the next time, you know.
Yeah, man,
we're going to talk today about that thing again. Give thanks, man, and we love the reasoning. Enough love and
keep up all my fans them all over the world, man. I had to there. See, skidum, skeng, pie. And my style that, here?
My thing.
One love.
Ayatunde to the world. And this is Veteran TV coming to you live from Port Antonio. Maddie, like and share and subscribe to the thing. Yeah, man, the voice of the artist Ayatunde. You hear that?